lot, then it's like, yeah. I was about to say, the bolts get stuck in this.
That probably should be okay.
Okay.
Good, good.
Works. It's in there.
Yeah.
Needs to go down more.
That was kind of funny. What's your cut?
It's funny, but I just want it.
I know.
What I'm wondering at this point is like, are the bolts not sitting at the same height
They're
in the
not.
slot? It's
Yeah.
like, if we're not careful, we'll jam it in on
This
one
one's-
together and it won't really work.
This one's lower than the rest.
That's not even one that's sticking. Alright, move it down a little more later, we'll try that.
What song do you want next?
I forget who did it, but it's a cover of the video is a dude standing in the middle of the river. Are you ready?
This one light.
In this one?
This shit. Oh, good. Okay, well, then that went off.
There is no noise in the camper. It just goes at this speed most of the time.
Nice.
So they play the first exactly. They just slowly do it down like this with us.
How many times are they gonna make me thread these bolts? They take them and they just unthread them. It's like the one, it's like the fact of the job episode where they come from the stairs, where they just make parts, melt them down, and make them.
Oh, yeah. What song do you want, Q?
Ooh. Okay, nice.
What is it called? That's French, isn't it?
Movement threads. Nice. Let's see.
If it's tilting up, then it's trying to push it this way as it's coming up. So we need to bring the seat forward.
No, we need to bring a CD back.
If it was back, then it would grab seat. Forward.
No, it's driving too far forward this way. That's why it's not. Because it's driving
Because
here.
it isn't grabbing. I thought it was grabbing back. It's like this guy
Take it.
like pull backwards.
So,
Just click on the table.
I was gonna say, so then move
CD back.
PD
Well.
backwards. We can do that.
Alright, remove that maybe. Just do this and see if it works. We're just gonna send that video because the table's the problem, not the.
Yeah.
Reminds me of occasionally, you know, like small little option houses, like metal caps, you know, just since I bring to me, you know, because the economies that everything is starting to come out, like, I could be
Nice. Nice.
Okay.
All right.